We're just about to head to an event. Now, we just filmed our podcast. Say hi.
Hello. Wait, Anna, can you drag it? For some reason it's not working.
I'll drag it. I'm the master of the drag. Bianca's MacBook Pro. Okay, we just recorded our New Year's podcast, so that will go up. This is our little setup. We have food, we have coffee,
snacks always.
And we have our microphone. This one's actually really good. What is it called? The white ball? The blue ball?
The blue something.
Blue microphone. But yeah, now we really have to go. And I have to post an Instagram collaboration. Today has been a very hectic day, but you guys saw a bit of the workout this morning. The Uber is coming in 8 minutes.
Okay.
We can do it. So we missed the event. It said from 12 to 5. I thought they had moved it because in the original email it said 12. So I thought they had moved it from the 12 time slot to the 5 p.m. time slot. So now we're at Planet Organic and we're gonna edit our...
I'm having some sushi.
Ooh.
I look so bad.
What is it?
Avocado, cucumber, salmon, spinach wrap.
I like the spinach wrap. That sounds really good.
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh, really nice. And I had a charcoal latte because I'm having dinner soon. But first we're gonna edit. And we're probably gonna laugh at ourselves.
Yes.
So that's what's going on. I thought I would just do an outfit for you guys. This is Bubba Room, this is Zara, and these are pretty lovely.
Front row seat on emergency exit row. The floor must be completely clear.
Hello guys, so I'm home now in Sweden. We have the Christmas tree here with all the gifts. And I'm just picking out my gifts for my bags now. Wrapping them up. So yeah, we have like little Christmas decor. And my sister made this little gingerbread house. So cute. So I just wanted to show you guys the bag I got today at Heathrow. I got myself a new handbag, so I'm very excited. I actually was thinking about this bag when I walked into Heathrow, and I thought I have like 2 hours, maybe they have some discounts or something like that, and I was right. So I walked into the Harrods section of Heathrow in Terminal 5, and they had Chloe 50% off. They had Furlap 50% off, and they had Valentino 50% off. So I thought first I was looking at the shoes, and then I saw this handbag. Na, 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 na. And it's the Rockstud. Wait, I don't actually know the name. Let me see. It doesn't say on here. Great. Anyways, it is, I think it's the Rockstud mini bag, but it does fit my phone and my wallet and my keys and everything, so it won't be too small. But it has this little shoulder strap, and then it also has a long strap so you can do crossbody, which is always necessary. And it is this pink color. I thought that the small one would be a lot better since I have bigger bags and I usually don't use them too much. I always use the smaller ones. And I'm just gonna take this white little overlay off. And this is the bag, like me in a purse. So cute. The pink is very me. That's all I meant. Instead of 1490, it was 760, I think. Good deal. You can fit a lot of things in here, which is good. Just check what the name is. Hi. I don't know what the name is. I'll put it on the screen now. This is my new baby. Sorry I didn't update you yesterday. I was actually just spending time with my family and going to the gym. And today we're celebrating Christmas, as you can see by my Christmas antlers. I've got my coffee ready, and I just went to pick up some jewelry from Zetterberg, which is, I think you guys have seen the company before on my YouTube channel. It was when I did the couture dress haul with them, and then I also put them a lot on my Instagram as well. As you saw in Paris, I was wearing their long dresses and their stuff, and they actually have another brand called Lily and Rose, and this is a jewelry brand. So I picked up some stuff to bring with me to Mauritius, and I ordered like a few things, but this box looks so nice. Yes, we're basically going to Mauritius tomorrow and just trying to find some stuff that I can shoot there and then I can wear there. And I love the Zetterberg brand and Lily and Rose, which is their jewelry brand. So I thought I would just bring some of the stuff with me to shoot them on the beach. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna try to do Instagram stories as well as doing YouTube, which is gonna be really difficult, but you know. So this is the box that the jewelry came in. Okay, here we have the jewelry pieces that I'm gonna be bringing with me. I love how it came all wrapped. It's so nice and pretty. These are the first items. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Okay, so I believe I'll put the name of these earrings up on the screen, but these are just blue sparkly beauties that I'm gonna be wearing. Imagine this by the ocean side. Oh my god, by the ocean, wearing them with my hair slicked back. Oh, just touch my antlers. Yeah, with the nice bikini and the water in the background. I think these are really gorgeous. Also, look how they shimmer in a bit of a darker room. It's so nice. I'm actually in my living room at home right now, and it is quite dark in here, so you can actually see the full effect of how they look in the nighttime. And these pieces are such good quality, which I'm always really impressed by, and they're just so beautiful and intricately made, which is so nice to see in a jewelry brand. These are the first pair. Really romantic and quite interesting as well. The style is a bit different. Second box. And these I think are my sister's favorites, right? Yeah. These are as well really sparkly and beautiful. And I kind of have a theme where I like these longer earrings with a bit more of a dangle to them. These are rose gold. I will also put the name on the screen, but it's also a bit more like leaf printed, which you can see here. The last pair are these. They're also super shimmery. You can see I kind of have a little theme here going on. All the sparkles. I love all the sparkles. So these are a bit more simple, just a bit more shell-like earrings that will be perfect for my trip and just for the holiday season as well. So if you're looking for a gift for someone or a birthday present or anything, I would really recommend this brand. It's such high quality, but the price is not too high. This isn't sponsored, but it's gifted, so yeah, just so you guys know. And then I have borrowed dresses from them to wear when I went to Paris, and then this time they actually gave me a gift and they said that it's a Christmas gift to me, which is so nice. So it's actually clothing. I have it here all laid out, but you guys are gonna see it now. I'm gonna unbox it and see. I actually haven't seen it yet myself. For the jewelry I picked it out online, but I haven't seen this yet. So every time you get a piece from Zetterberg, it's couture, and it's basically, I cannot take me seriously with these, and it's basically a bridal wear company, but they do have some more ready to wear pieces as well. So that's what I think I got to bring with me on my trip. I haven't seen it yet. Okay, let's see. There's 3 hangers, which I was already surprised about. I thought it was only gonna be 1 item. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. This crop top with feathers. Oh my god, do you see this? And the skirt. This white skirt. Oh. Wow. Okay, this is the... I'm so happy right now. It's so nice of them. I'm gonna have to check out what they're called, but this is a feather crop top and it's all satin and it's beautifully made. And then this is the skirt. I don't know if you guys can see how beautiful it is, but it has tulle all down the middle, and I can see more. There's more in here. I don't understand. This is amazing. Oh, these are the clothing I asked for to borrow and they gave them to me. Oh my god. And then there's this little crop top, which is so nice with these fluted sleeves. You can even wear this really casually with just a pair of trousers or anything like that, because it's not a crop top. It's quite a good length as well, and it's just all satin and it's such a beautiful feel. Here you can also see it's such a nice brand and it's such good quality. It's a pink dress. Oh my god. Oh my god. This dress is the most beautiful dress ever. Oh my gosh, look at this. Holy moly. Oh my god. This dress. Do you see this? Oh, yeah. So this is the last thing. This is the last dress, and it's all tooled here on the side. There's a simple strap dress underneath, and then it's all tooled. And the dress underneath is silk, so it's not very simple, but you know what I mean. And then the bottom just flares out beautifully. So yeah, those are all the pieces that came in this amazing package. And now I think the footage will cut to travel footage. Now we're on our flight to Vienna. So we are now halfway through the flight, and I changed into my pajamas.